yourself. You're sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away.
This video is about this mic shotgun. The shotgun mic is one directional. It's going to record all the sound that is coming from the front, and ideally it should not be recording anything in here in the sides. So this is basically a typical shotgun mic, and the brand of this is actually the MOUKEY MCM-1. I will be posting the brand, the details of this on my description below, so you can check it out if you are interested. It comes with this regular 3.5mm connector that you can connect to here. So this attachment comes with plastic. This is just a plastic, a little bit springy. So this one will attach to the shoe. Of the camera, so we can do it like this. There you go. Now I'm going to install this external mic. As you can see, this mic comes with this DEADCAT noise reduction filter. This side of the camera, there's a port where can I install this. This is standard 3.5mm audio connector from this external mic.
This city has a special morning voice. Speaks to me through an open window, masquerading as noise. 10 million people waking up, and somehow I'm the lucky guy who gets to make you a coffee cup. And if I ever forget what matters most, if I am giving up the ghost, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall.